Breaking news, the school not up until September. So hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is probably quarantine day 50, 60, 80. I don't even know. I lose track of time. Today may be Saturday, Sunday, Friday. I don't know. Every day is just every day. So I'm here thinking to myself, when will this be over? When will we get back to normal living? When can we differentiate the different days? But it seems like the world is saying she has no idea. So if the world doesn't have an idea, how can I have an idea when will everything be back to normal? So this is my quarantine morning routine. But to be honest, I think today is Tuesday. So yeah, so right now my mouth is stinky, my eyes are dirty. I am so I'm about to get my teeth brushed, my face washed, my hair groomed up a little bit, take a shower, and then get on with the day. Actually, I wanted to give you guys a better lighting by using the ring light, but the extension is broken and this stupid bathroom does not have a plug in it, so yeah. So guys, if you know, if you're not subscribed, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We're on the way to 1,000 subscribers, and there will be a giveaway still coming for that 1K subscriber. So go ahead, like, share, comment, and subscribe if you haven't. So let's get right into getting the teeth clean. So I decided to change the angle of the camera because this side lighting is a little bit better. So after I brush my teeth, I normally use my pear soap and apply it all over the face. Yep. Right now I don't have a face routine. I'm just using pear soap on the face, because they said pear soap is good for your face and your skin, so I just use pear soap all over the face and on the neck sometime if I remember. And then next I'm going to take a shower. I can wait another second to be with you for an eternity. Like I am in a daydream. Every moment that I spend with you. Won't you take me home and give me wings to fly? We can be alone in a castle in the sky. We can run away. Guys, I am fresh. Different clothing, so the ear now. I'm so mad to pull out this hair. I might pull it out because they my root up, but they keep telling me that I'm not going anywhere, so I need to pull up the hair. So I'm just gonna probably just like style it up, looking in the mirror over here. So catch it up right here. So yep. Let me see. Barely got the one here. Make catch it up. Catch up the one there. Can probably no. They got the one here. Nah, they're just so crazy. Crazy. You want to pull out, man. They root up the bottom and so forth. Alright. What is on here? Alright. Can I catch up the one there too? I'm like, if I'm keeping this so long, it better grow when we pull it out. So I'm gonna catch up this. Give myself the edges because we're gonna have some visitors over today. So look decent in the yard. I made a wig for myself that I wanted to try on, put it on to do a video, but I'm like, okay, so I'm gonna get my rubber band and catch up this part, do the edges looking so dusty, but yeah, let me catch the band and come back. Listen, the lighting it, buddy? Yeah, much better. Look at it here. You want to pull out so bad. But I'm gonna do the edges there, man. I'm gonna look a bit presentable. So, my God. Listen, I need to buy back a extension because the lighting I kill me. About 3 million times I move it since we're in the bathroom. Yep, but the lighting around here is so nice. So I'm gonna get my wax, my ultra hair wax, to start on my edges. My face probably look dry because they want moisturize, so let me go get my moisturize the face and do the edges. Yeah. Let's do some moisturizing. Dermalogica, I think that's a word. Dermalogica. Listen, worst teacher in our history this. Yes, sis. Worst teacher. Oh, look at the ring light around here, so in the background here, so where no light in the pan. I tried to use the other tripod, but it's too short. So for this one to work with me standing up, I gotta use the one with the ring light, but no light on. Yep. So moisturized. Good ear. Yo, we gotta pull this out weekend, right? We're gonna see if little girl come in with the short here. But I'm gonna do the edges then. Doing the edges make everything look much better. Big up my nails them. Big up my nail texture. Me, yeah, me same one. Yeah, this stud right here fell out, so but this was the actual design. Yep. And so the big finger design them here, I did them myself. Yeah. So time for the edges. You know, no matter how your hair look crusty, edges make everything look better, done. Yeah. Can I see? I gotta probably turn around, show you guys the back of my head. It look really bad. So as you guys saw where I posted my first prank, I need you guys to comment down below and tell me if I should try out a lot different other pranks. I really want to start pranking again, but when I'm thinking of it, so I'm probably have to go ahead and do it. Yeah. Don't I tell you guys that edges make everything look better? Sis. Stop fight with him, the boy love him belly, just poison him. That shouldn't well me. That shouldn't have to make up Dexter that Spanish. Just poison him. Don't make no man beat you, no mistreating or anything like that. If him love him belly, work with it. Work with that situation and angle the situation. Show him damn belly. No, no look here. Una sister this a gone for the road. Una leg on make your style. Let it go. Una watch ya. Una sister gone from the roots. This is like a swing song in my hair. No, sir. Oh, no, listen. Listen. But tell you. I just make everything better. I feel so active today. You know, so I can feel the vibe them. This is me really on a daily basis. Acting stupid. I probably just don't come over here show you guys this vibe. But listen, we gotta pull this year out weekend. Saturday, I put on my new wig. Guys, you know what in here in the bathroom. I can show you one like extra updates what I do in the bathroom. What do I? Eh? But they just buy it for as me say, the big boss talking. So the scale that you guys watched with the video where I told you guys I purchased a scale. Oh my god, look on the ground. It look like it dirty, it don't dirty. It don't dirty. And not dirt. Something bunny tell, but I don't know how to get them off. I'm listening. And just right here. Yep. Breaking news. The school not up until September. We got the news today that no school will be opening. Alright, come over like a Moses. No school not up until September. So, lip ashy do so whenever I can't find my lip balm or my lip gloss, I use my Pure Petroleum Jelly. It's good for skin moisturizer. It's a good skin moisturizer. It's good for the lips. Yep. It's unscented, so you guys can always have it and it makes everything better. You can use it for anyway. But someone who have them dry elbow here. Yeah. Yo, this is like a random video. I was gonna call it a vlog, but I don't think it's a vlog. I'm just featuring myself around here. So, but let me go show you guys what we're having for breakfast this morning, and then from there we can see what's going on here. Everything better. Green plantain in the cut for breakfast. Complete breakfast. Some squeezed green plantain. We had some sweet and sour fish that I prepared on Sunday, and we have some good stewed turkey leg and a slice of bread. Yep. Your soul. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah.
No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
So come back here, the same setting. Look, edges them gone, them blows and all these things. Come back for end the video. I'm gonna hear dog them from morning. Them never want some morning. I'm gonna hear them from morning. Yo, this is definitely a everyday morning routine. I some live my life. This little swing song for ear doesn't bother me. And oh, before I go, I think I need to do some post notification shout outs. So let me go grab a phone because I use my phone. So I'm gonna grab my phone where I can read some comments, shout out some people, and then end the video. Yeah. I'm going all the way back down to the video where I did the cooking, the sweet and sour chicken, and from there I'm gonna do some shout outs. I'm just gonna choose 5 comments that I want to shout out. Alright, so comment section. That's really weird.
One eternity later.
Okay, so giving a shout out to Bree, right? Shouting out to you, Bree. I definitely put the comment here on the screen. Shout out where she comment on the sweet and sour cooking video where she said looking good with a nice heart emoji, and she said do some steamed fish and crackers next time. Actually, we have been talking about doing some steamed fish on the channel, so that probably will be coming soon. Right, let me see anybody. All right, Amaya Donny. All right, she said love it girl, continue to do your best. All right, so yep, let's go to another video. Let's go to my extreme 2020 bathroom spring clean with me, and shouting out this one, catch my eye, all things Jay and Shan. She said love this, I love DIY also to get some of the resources here in Jamaica though. She said to get some of the resources here in Jamaica though, tough task or too expensive. Nice content though, waiting for more. So big up Estelle. She also has a YouTube channel, you guys can go check them out. That's all things Jay and Shan. Any more comment here that I want to shout out? Going to eat in yellow food only, and that's the last video I'm going to do a shout out on. I'm going to shout out, hey, so the dog must say hello. So that must say hello. Them could hey, them know so them to say it before me cut, you know. Alright. Thing. Shania Sing. No, from Sing, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Sing has been so active. So I think it's a must that I highlight. Sing comment on the eating yellow food only. Sing said, boy, the king I give you a hard time. Girl, the king give me a rough time. So yeah, she also have a YouTube channel. I do support her channel. I always watch her content since we know about her. So you guys can go check her out. The comment will be down so you guys will see the name of her channel. So yeah, that's the end of this video. I tried my best to do something. I'm still here trying to figure out the eating white food only, and I have been thinking about doing eating orange food, but every day I'm gonna start the video, something else come up what me have to do. So go and big up on yourself. I don't know what to do. If you don't subscribe, go ahead and subscribe because we're on the way to 1,000 subscribers. And if you want to win the ring light and some Jamaican credits, yeah, I'm soon done. I soon can blow up. Win some Jamaican credits. Oh no, make sure subscribe. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers, guys, and like the video, comment down below, share the video, go and big up on your damn self.